Good morning and welcome back. We are seeing futures deeply in the red on this Thursday morning. Nasdaq futures leading the way downward, off by more than 3%. The S&P and the Dow also indicating drops of about 2.5% at the open. And keep in mind, this is on top of some heavy selling that we saw yesterday. The Nasdaq is now down 18.8% from its record high back in November, so nearing a bear market. The number to watch today for the Nasdaq. Now you're looking at futures there. The number to watch as a close for the Nasdaq, 12,845.95. Below that level, at or below that level, will be a bear market for the Nasdaq. And Brian Sozzi, a lot of what we've been seeing this morning, obviously we are seeing commodities sell off, we are seeing Russia ETF sell off, and we are seeing tech sell off in a very big way here this morning. Broad-based tech sell off among large cap tech, small cap tech, etc. We're going to take the opening bell, and then we're going to talk about all of that. And there we do indeed have the opening bell as we see, expect a plunge here at the open in U.S. stocks. Brian Sozzi, get in here. Talk to me about what we are seeing in terms of tech stocks in particular, which I know is something you've been watching closely.
Yeah, tech stocks continue to be under pressure here. The Nasdaq 100 nearing a potential bear market territory. That would be defined as 20% off its recent high. That hasn't been in a bear market, I believe, since 2020, early 2020. So that is quite striking here, and it's pressure across the board, Julie. It is that lower quality big cap tech names, and it's the names a lot of these momentum traders loved last year. It's Facebook, it's an Amazon, it's Microsoft, it's all those companies. But I will say this, we're seeing a really ugly open here for the markets, but not everything is in the red. Look at what is working. Gold prices have been strong all morning long. I have a piece on this on the Yahoo Finance homepage now. A company like Newmont Mining, one of the biggest miners in the world, that stock is working. Also, with the rise in oil prices here and gas prices, you're also seeing shares like a Chevron and an Exxon. Those trades are working not just well today, but they continue to be probably the market's best momentum trades over the past few sessions.
You're looking at the glass half full. I'm looking at all of the carnage that we are seeing in the markets here today. And I should mention, again, just to emphasize, if the Nasdaq closes at this level right now, it will be in a bear market. That is, as Brian just mentioned, defined as a 20% drop from close to close. So typically, we would look at the closing level to see if it has entered a bear market. So it could be effective as of the close today. If it does not recover, again, to close above about 12,845, just under 12,846 here. So we will be keeping an eye on those levels here today. It looks like the Dow as well has entered a correction. It was down 9.97% from its high to its low. So really, any kind of drop today was going to mean a correction for the Dow. So these are the numbers that we are watching and talking about this morning.